All right, guys, more Christmas piano lessons today. We're doing Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. It's also known as the Christmas song. Let's take a listen to the intro. All right, guys, I am Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just have to pick the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice those two things. All right, guys, that's what I'm here for. And I've been doing this for 30 years, teaching people how to play the piano without reading music. Reading music is a great skill to have, but it just doesn't work for everybody, and some people need a different way to learn. And if you need that different way, and you can remove that barrier of having to learn to read music, you might just take off and begin to learn all kinds of things that you never thought were possible. All right, so we're getting into the lesson here today. This is our part one. I put all the lessons on the website, and there are 34 Christmas songs on there now. So there are probably any favorite that you can mention that's going to be a classic or a favorite. It's going to be on there, guaranteed. And they're just a lot of fun to play during the holidays if you want to play with a gathering or a sing-along. The arrangements I did work both ways. If you are new to my method, this whiteboard may look kind of crazy to you. I do have the all-new Easy Piano Lesson Series on there. It's for complete beginners, but it's also a crash course for those of you who need to kind of get used to my method and how I do things. It only takes a little bit of time, and then you can jump right in and play anything that I have on the site. All right, so we have this little 3-chord thing that I start out with. You can either do it this way. You can play an A, then the chord, or I kind of like doing it this way now, where I just play an A, E, G in the left hand. In the right hand, I do a B flat, C sharp, E, A, like that. Okay, so either way is fine. You can play the chord, or just to do this. All right, but those notes are, I'll do A, E, G, just to show you that way. B flat, C sharp, E, and A on the right. So we can go 1. Now take this octave that you have and move everything up, but you can't change. You got to keep your fingers in that same mold. Don't let them relax and then lose it. Keep it, and then come up here. One more time. Then when you get used to it, hold the pedal down, or if you do it this way, left hand. That's just to set the tone, and then chestnuts roasting on an open fire. And Nat King Cole, right? Nobody beats him singing it. No one. All right, so once we start the melody, we'll look at the left hand, F, C, F. That's called an octave and a fifth. 99% of contemporary piano music is octave and a fifth. Playing your octave and then that fifth in the middle. Now we're going to go up to this, B flat, F, C. Now if you can't reach that, that's fine, because we're going to roll it anyway. That upward arrow means we're going to do this. We're going to go from bottom to top. So B flat, F, C, 5, 2, 1. So high F and then B flat, D on an A, C, G, B flat. So A, C with fingers 1, 3, G, B flat with 2 and 1. Let's start at the beginning again. Chestnuts roasting. Oops, I missed my note there, my C, so I'm going to start again. So here we have F, C, F. Right hand on a C, E, A. It's called an F major 7 chord. If you know what an F chord is, F, A, C. A seventh just means we have an extra note, because it'll be a seventh away from the F. An E note will be a 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Right? Whether it's an E flat or an E. And if it's an E natural, then it's called a major 7 chord. And it sounds really jazzy. Okay? If it's flat, it sounds really bluesy. 7. So C, A, E, C, E, A on the top, F, C, F on the left. So from the beginning, 1, 2. Then because that's what they do. And Nat King Cole does it, right? That version is kind of what I went off of to do this. So plenty of jazz chords, and none of it's any really harder than what we just did here in this part 1. And this is what you can think. If you could do this, if you could do a couple of measures and you learn that and get it well, you can do the whole thing. You just have to practice in those sections and then link them together as you begin to learn more and more music. Don't try to learn the whole song at once. That's a big mistake a lot of beginners make, and intermediate students. All right, we've got to take small digestible pieces, get that down, and then attach it to the next sections as we begin to learn those. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the part 1. Hope you enjoy the website. Hop on over and look at all the part 1 Christmas songs that I have for free on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.